This is the battery organizer storage case with a tester inside of there. And I got this one in dark gray. Comes in 8 different colors. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It arrived safely wrapped in plastic, came inside of a box. The double-sided case is a little over 14 inches in length, a little over 18 inches in width, and it is about 3.5 inches wide. It's made of a pretty sturdy plastic with flexible plastic tops, and it weighs in at a little under 3 pounds empty. You've got clasps here for both sides of the case, and they feel really good and easy to use. And it also has a sturdy feeling handle on it, which is going to be great for transporting it. I really like the idea of a battery storage case because this is my current system that resides in a drawer in my kitchen, so this is going to be way better. This case is designed to hold 269 total batteries of all shapes and sizes. One side holds 190 batteries, and the other side holds 79 batteries. Really cool too, if you look inside the case, they've actually labeled the batteries that go in each slot, so there's no question whatsoever. Of course, you can put whatever you want in there, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with this in just a minute. All right, got it loaded up. Let me show you what I did with it, my ideas for it anyway. So it has a really cool practical design to it. It has rigid plastic slots for each battery to sit in, and they are sized and labeled properly according to each type of battery, so they're easy to place and they're easy to remove. There are 2 foam sections for coin-sized batteries like the CR2032, 2025, or even smaller batteries like these. I'll add a chart showing how much of each battery this case can hold up here. So on this side, you can see I've got my AAAs, my AA's, got some C-cell batteries. I don't really have a lot of D-cell batteries. I don't use them a lot anymore these days, but I did find if I stick this upside down, I can put my ring batteries in here, which I like. There's some slots for C-cell batteries here and 9 volts, which I don't have any right now, but that's kind of cool. I got 9 volt slots right there. On the back, what I did is I put my rechargeable batteries and my solar batteries back here. So I've got some outdoor solar lights that take a special type of battery, and I put them on this side to separate them from the regular batteries. And I put my rechargeables here. There are some slots here for 18650s, which are pretty popular. There's 6 slots. The smaller 23A slots right here. A lot of CR123A battery slots in here. This I use for a guitar thing. It fits in there perfect. These I'll just leave them in the blister pack and put them in here, so that works good. And another thing I think is really cool is that they have included a battery tester in here that has its own place inside of the case and everything. Let's take this for a spin and see how it works. Basically, it's an analog meter, and you've got a red that's replaced, yellow looks like it's close to replacing, and green is good. So let's test this AA battery. You can see right here that it has the shape of the battery telling you it goes this way. It's not spring loaded, so you're gonna have to hold it, but there you can see that this AA battery is good. And I can move this over here with these guys. Let's test this AAA. I can see the AAA here is also good, so I can move that over here. These C batteries have been sitting in my drawer for a few years because I hardly ever use C, so pretty cool. I like that. I like that idea. So there you go, a sturdy case to store pretty much any type of household battery that you can think of. Easy enough to place in a drawer or on a shelf. Nice little handle for carrying it around. I love it.